Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to backup your iPhone 16e to Mac. There's also a method that you can use which is backing up to iCloud, so in case you want to do it, you can watch a video on our channel on how to, but if you want to do it on your Mac, you can simply do it by first connecting your iPhone to the Mac. So of course it has to be the USB-C to USB-C cable, or if it's a very old Mac then maybe USB-C to USB-A, but the iPhone 16e of course has the USB-C. So I'm just gonna plug it in. Then I'm gonna also plug it into the Mac. And now we should go to Finder. On the iPhone, I'm gonna click on Trust this computer. And I'm gonna verify with my Face ID or just catch it. Then with the passcode, of course. Then I'm just gonna see. There is something about the software update. I'm gonna click on Not Now. And here in the Finder, we should see the iPhone. I'm gonna click on Don't Encrypt. And now you can see it starts backing up automatically. And I think it has backed up, but to iCloud. So first you need to select backup all the data on your iPhone to this Mac. Then apply it. And now click on Backup Now. You can encrypt backups. It's just up to you. I'm gonna click on Don't Encrypt, but you need to know that if you don't encrypt the backup, then you will not be able to save things like saved passwords, health, and HomeKit data. So this is very important. Then on your iPhone, you need to type in the passcode. And now it'll start backing up. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.